Boundless education, wherever you are, whenever you want. To start our presentation video, let's give an overview of the project. Unlike traditional e-learning solutions that rely on client-server configuration, which requires constant internet connectivity, our innovative approach eliminates the need for mobile or wired internet connections at remote sites by introducing a one-way e-learning network using satellite communication. This approach aims to revolutionize the way e-learning is delivered in remote areas. By implementing this solution, we can overcome the challenges faced by sites without internet access or a permanent link to content-delivering servers. This will enable these isolated locations to fully benefit from distance education opportunities, enhancing access to education and training for underserved communities. The technology involved in such a project is especially based on the encoding and encapsulation under the most suitable protocols used in the field, in particular DVB-native IP. This makes all the content sent to the remote areas look like a normal IP stream. The content that can be sent to the remote areas are live TV channels, video clips, images, PDF documents, and various other forms of data content one-way delivered remotely through IP stream over satellite. This content is continuously updated via satellite to ensure users have access to the latest educational resources and information. So, what are the main components of these innovative solutions? To begin with, the solution can be divided into two parts, the core part and the remote part. The first part involves the production and preparation of content for satellite transmission. Next comes the part we are interested in, the remote sites, in which occur the processing of the received content for users. Regarding the production of content in the core part, there are two available options. The first option involves installing the entire platform at the customer's facilities. In this case, the customer assumes responsibility for content preparation, insertion of content into the platform, encoding, encapsulation, modulation, and other tasks related to transmitting content to the satellite using the DVB-native IP protocol. With the second option, there's the flexibility for the customer to acquire either the entire part or specific segments as a cloud service. In this scenario, a basic internet connection suffices to upload data content to the provider's delivery platform. From there, all subsequent processing and transmission steps are handled seamlessly by the platform. So much for the core part of the solution. Now, as far as the remote part of the solution is concerned, we can say that at each remote site, there is a new generation satellite receiver connected to a small and simple satellite dish, similar to those found in households. Additionally, there is a mini artificial intelligence-powered e-learning server and a Wi-Fi access point installed, as well as smartphones, tablets, laptops, desktops, and any other equipment that can be connected to a wired or wireless local area network and display content for the intended purpose. And for the power supply, all this equipment can be powered by a well-sized autonomous solar kit that is easily deployable. What occurs in this content delivery process? After the data content is prepared using advanced equipment and transmitted via satellite, it becomes promptly accessible within the satellite's coverage area. This includes remote and unconnected zones like refugee camps, isolated mountainous regions, villages, and other remote locations. Subsequently, receiving stations in these remote sites retrieve the IP data stream content via small satellite dishes, receiving it almost instantly. This content is then channeled into artificial intelligence-powered e-learning mini-servers. These compact servers ensure content accessibility to users based on their training level, access rights, and authorizations. Once the data content resides on the tiny server, users can access it at no additional cost, unlike mobile internet services. This enables users to benefit limitlessly from the data within the range of Wi-Fi access points or the local network.